Here I am at Buc-ee's again. We're taking a break. I meant to go to the Buc-ee's out by the RV park, but the bib, the GPS, took me out a different way, and I didn't get back to that Buc-ee's. So it's about 10:30 and I'm hungry, starving, and I'm gonna go in there and get another one of those brisket sandwiches and maybe some chips. I don't know. So Stumpy has had his little break here. And I do clean up after my puppy, by the way. They have everything here you need. All of these are puppy stations for cleaning up. They don't just want you to clean up. They actually supply everything you need so that you can clean up. I swear this place does absolutely every single thing right. So, another Buc-ee's. All right, I'm out of Buc-ee's. I got a sandwich. And Stumpy's sitting right there smelling it, and he will get a morsel. He always gets a morsel. Got me another brisket sandwich. This time I got a banana pudding, banana scoogie doogie doo, banana pudding small, and that's my drink. So once again, I'm showing you food. Sorry. Interesting is I don't eat bad, but I don't particularly eat good, but I never gain weight on these trips, so it's just the way it is. I'll go home and weigh the same as when I left. Oh, I thought it was neat when I pulled into this one, way at the other end, or at the entrance. They must have 50 Tesla charging stations installed. So Buc-ee's catching on, and Tesla is the way to go. Or Tesla charging stations are the way to go. Anyway, and they put in a car wash over there. So you can stop, get gas, get a car wash. Buc-ee's, Buc-ee's, Buc-ee's. What a business model. I love it. By the way, I bought myself a Buc-ee's shirt. I will hope to embarrass all my buddies at lunch when I get back. I'm here in Buda, Texas. You can tell that I am transient and a tourist because I say Buda, while the people who live here say Buda. There's a hidden W, Buda, a hidden W right behind the B. They rent these Airstreams at 65 spots. No, that's 147 right there. So it's big. I'm in spot 65. Which is the last one on this lane, which is called Lefty Lane. I told them that I'm not social. I'd like to be as far away as possible, close to plenty of green grass so I can walk the dog. And this is what I got. It's absolutely perfect. Now the parking, the lot, park is called a resort. They have some amenities up at the front. I never use amenities, so I'm perfectly happy here. Way out here all by my lonesome, right next to this very pretty lake, which apparently they own, and apparently they own the property on the other side of it, so they own the whole thing. And it's okay. It's right here in Buda, and my friend Roberta is coming to pick me up. We will go to her house, and she and I and Roger, her husband, she says she's fixed a crock pot. I knew she would do that. I knew she would. I knew she would. I knew she would. I told him we could do something simple, called in a pizza, but I knew she would cook, and she has. So I'll spend tomorrow here exploring the intricacies of Buda and maybe see some of the town, depending on whether they can get out and about. Roger has some mobility problems, which he's overcoming, and we'll see what happens. So anyway, she's on her way over here. It's about 4 o'clock. She's going to be here at 4:30. Let's see if I can get this posted before then. Good looking rig, that. Very attractive rig. I like my rig. And why are you selling it? Because it's too big for me, rig. Okay, anyway, I'm going to see if I can get this up in the air.